In this video, I will show how to change Yahoo to Google in your Google Chrome. If you are searching and results are in Yahoo, I have simple solution how to fix this. First, click on three dots in top right and select last option, Settings. In Settings, you should click on Search Engine. As we can see, I have Yahoo selected as my search engine. I just need to click on Select Field and choose Google. And now if we search for something in search, it will show Google search result. On more place where Yahoo could be show is when your browser start. Go back to Settings, click on Startup. You have a few options. I'm using Continue where you left off, so when I open Chrome again I get back old tabs I was using before. You can use Open a specific page or set of pages. Select this option. If these is Yahoo, click three dots beside it and select Remove, or you can just add New Page. Type Google URL, and now when Chrome start it will open Chrome. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.